All right, so today we're going to be talking about Apple Airplay, which is developed by Apple Incorporated. So we will be covering what is Apple Airplay, the features of Apple Airplay, Apple TV, how to use video and audio, which is Airplay 2, screen mirroring, Apple website assistance, pros and cons of Apple Airplay, Apple TV alternatives, and the live demo. So what is Apple Airplay? Airplay is a proprietary wireless communication protocol stack suite developed by Apple Incorporated that allows streaming between devices of audio, video, device screens, and photos. So you can enjoy movies, videos, music, photos, and presentations from your Apple devices to your TV or speakers through Wi-Fi. You can also connect different non-Apple devices to play the same audio through Apple Play 2. What can you do on Apple Airplay? So you can watch movies Apple provides on their Apple TV. You can upload videos and watch them on a big screen. You can connect music to your speakers and jam out. Project your device's screen onto another device. For example, sharing your iPhone screen to the TV. Share pictures or albums to your screen. And then additional features is that Apple Airplay can also be used with Hulu and Amazon Prime Video. Netflix does not allow Airplay to screen share their content, unfortunately though. Apple TV. Apple TV is the movie and TV show service and product sold by Apple that lets you stream content easily. In order to access Apple TV, it is necessary that you have an Apple TV 4K connected to your television or a monthly subscription. It is what provides movies, shows, and apps like Hulu, ESPN, and Netflix, and it's in 4K HDR quality. What does Apple TV 4K provide? It provides movies and shows, Netflix, Hulu, news channels, iTunes, Disney+, YouTube, the Photo app, and App Store. So Apple TV's original content includes the shows Dickinson, The Morning Show, Ted Lasso, and the films The Tragedy of Macbeth, Swan Song, Finch, and much more. What does Apple TV work on? So it works on the streaming devices Roku, Fire TV, Google TV, and Android TVs. It works on the smart TVs Samsung, LG, Vizio, Sony, and the gaming consoles Xbox and PlayStation. Price ranges. So for the Apple TV 4K, it's a box connected to your smart TV. Price varies by store and the gigabytes. So 32 gigabytes at the Apple Store comes with a Siri remote is $229. 64 gigabytes at the Apple Store with the Siri remote is $249. And then the Apple TV 4K's Apple Care Plus is $29. So I'm assuming that's in addition to the price depending on the gigabytes. And then for the Apple TV subscription, so when buying your subscription, you get the first 7 days free, and then it's $5.99 per month after that. When you buy an eligible Apple device, you also receive 3 months free of Apple TV. Using Airplay to watch a video. So step 1 is look for the Airplay button with your app and tap on it. So if we look at the image on the right, we can see that the Airplay is it's near the bottom of the screen, and it's a square with a little triangle underneath it. And then step 2 is to select the device you want to watch it on. And we can see that on the second image where we can have iPhone or Apple TV. And then step 3 is use the controls on your Apple device to pause, play, rewind, and fast forward. Playing audio. Step 1 is to look for the Apple Play button on your app or the control center, which is this button up here, and then you tap it to send Airplay to compatible speakers or wireless headphones. Airplay 2 allows for streaming music to multiple compatible speakers at the same time. For example, your iPhone can play a song in multiple rooms with different speakers, or even pick which one to play songs on. Airplay 2 can also be used on multiple smart TVs. Screen mirroring. So would you like to share a presentation, photo album, or a website from your phone to a TV or computer? So the step one would be to look for the screen mirroring icon in the control center. So that button is shown zoomed in over here, so it's two rectangles overlapping with each other. And once you find, so the step, and then step two would be to find the device you want to screen share and tap it. And if you want to stop sharing the screen, you would click Stop Mirroring, which is just labeled in text. So for more help and more information and instructions for the process of mirroring, playing, or streaming video, audio, or photos with Airplay, you can refer to the official Apple support website. In your own copy of the presentation, if you click on this button using Airplay, it will take you to the Apple website. So pros and cons of Apple Airplay. So pros would be the 4K streaming in Ultra HD, a HomeKit, and HomeKit is a software made by Apple that lets you control smart home products using apps on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or simple Siri voice commands. And then you also have elegant design that fits in with your home decor. The remote is easy to use. Miscellaneous apps like Netflix and Hulu are provided without subscription. And you have 4K HDR gaming and a mirror iOS device. And Apple AirPlay also lets you mirror your screen from your iPhone or iPad to your TV. Cons of this would be Apple TV 4K is more expensive than alternatives like Roku. Apple TV movie streaming subscriptions offer less variety than alternatives. So Apple TV offers less variety than Netflix or Amazon Prime Video and other streaming services like that. And it's limited to Apple products, so it cannot work from an Android or Windows device. And occasionally there are compatibility issues. So AirPlay alternatives for non-Apple users include NVIDIA Shield TV, which is $169.99 at Best Buy or $7.99 per month. Amazon Fire Stick, which is $39.99 and has no subscription. Chromecast Google TV, which is $69.99 at Best Buy with no subscription. And Roku Streaming Stick, which is $49.99 at Best Buy with no subscription. So keep in mind that even though there is no subscription, you still have to pay for other services like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and etc. And I just want to come back before I finish off and reiterate some cons that I missed. So Apple TV is a bit useless when you already own a smart TV. So if you're not comfortable with the idea of paying monthly for subscription, it is best to have a smart TV instead. And Apple TV is mostly reliant on Apple products, meaning for it to work to its full potential, you would need to have mostly Apple products. Apple has a distinct USB port, which is not compatible with other devices. And this, again, adds to the last con where Apple TV is most reliant on Apple products. So do keep that in mind when considering Apple TV. So that concludes the presentation on Apple AirPlay.